If I could describe the Tulane football season in one word, I think it would be hype.
If I could describe the season in one word, it would be legendary.
Electric. Exciting.
We just went on a historic run here. First team in Tulane history to make the college football playoffs.
It's crazy to see everyone's excitement and the Tulane community. I feel like that's just what makes it electric.
I think we just have some awesome fans.
Tulane fans are unique because when they show up and show out, the presence is unmatched.
No matter the weather outside, what time kickoff is, we're in those stands and we're loud.
I think it's a really great part of Tulane that I get to be part of a winning school.
I think we could show in the playoffs how we're not the underdogs and we could take it home.
It's the team that all Louisianan fans are rooting for right now.
It meant a lot to the culture, and we're just so thankful for the community. Can't wait to play in front of y'all
In Oxford.
We'll see you in Oxford.